Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language in Marvel Rivals. So all you have to do is launch the game and then get to this homepage. And then from here, simply press the options button on your controller to access this menu, or you can select the settings icon that appear in the top right corner and it will take you to the same page. Now from here, select settings and then ensure that you're in the display section. So if in case you're in another section, simply use the LB or the RB button and go to display. Then find the game language option and then you should see a drop down menu that appears. So by default, it follows the console language. So the default language that is set on your console, that is the one that will be used in the game. So if you want to change that, simply click on the drop down arrow that appears and now you can see different options. So if you want to change it to another language, simply, let's say for example, Spanish, simply select that. And then you have to restart the game so that the changes can be applied. So simply, once you select the language, simply press on X to apply the changes. And now you'll see the changes have been applied. So you can simply either press the X button to apply the changes instantly, or you can restart the game to apply the changes later. And then once done, simply exit. And now your game has been, now the game language has been changed. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you found the video useful, simply leave a like and subscribe to the channel.